Greetings out there. My name is Priyasha Yadav and today I am here to present my project Job Momentum, which is a job portal website designed to bridge the gap between students and recruiters. Jobs don't wait for you and neither should you. The tech stack for the project include backend Node.js, Express.js, database MongoDB, for authentication JWT is being used, cloud storage Cloudinary, and since it is built on microservices architecture, the front end is deployed on Netlify and backend is deployed on Render. For prototyping, Figma was used. Other features include bcrypt.js for password hashing and Multer for file upload like resume and profile picture. Since Jobmentum is a role-based platform, it offers diverse features to both students and recruiters. For students, it allows them to apply to the job and update their profile. For job recruiters, it allows them to select or reject the applicant based on their preference, and they can even maintain their company page and post jobs. For now, this is the API documentation for all the routes defined for users, companies, jobs, and applicants. It is well written, and next we will go to the landing page of our website Jobmentum. This is the landing page where you can even search for the job. This is the login and sign up page. For now, we will log in as a student. This is the jobs page where you can see the number of jobs. You can even filter out based on your preference. And here Framer motion is being used for the effect. Here is the list of jobs. Here is the profile dashboard where you can see the status of accepted and rejected for 2 companies. Now we will log out and log in again as a recruiter. This is the companies page where you can see the list of companies. This is the jobs page where you can post a new job. This is the profile dashboard where you can update it or edit it. For now, we will add a new company. Let's say Rai University, for example. You can even give the website URL, and now we will choose the logo for the same. As you can see, Rai University is being rendered in the UI and even stored in the backend. In the similar fashion, we can even post a job and it will be stored in the jobs collection of the backend. You can even see the number of applicants applied on a particular job and even accept or reject them. Let's say accept and reject. Accept. Yes. Now we will log out and log in again as a student. As you can see the status of accepted and rejected, and this is the 404 page for the undefined routes, and you can even apply to the jobs as a student. Here are the details with all description and salary, and thank you.